Hi everybody, this is my introduction. Since you are all doing introductions, you've read about mine a little bit. Originally from Ohio, taught at Western Washington University for my first job, got my PhD at the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill. I'm kind of out of order. My first job out of college was at working for Chrysler in Detroit in the 80s. So I bought car parts. Decided I didn't like that, went back and got my MBA, taught for a while, and said, hey, if I want to do this full time, I need to go get a PhD. Washington State, Western Washington University was my first job. I had my son, and we moved back to Ohio with my then husband. To Northern Kentucky University. We lived in Cincinnati for 17 years while my son grew up. He was getting ready to become a senior, and I thought I would like to try somewhere else to live, and I applied to positions and ended up at the Citadel. So I've been here since fall of 2018. Came with my animals and my son. We live in Mount Pleasant. And I've learned a lot since I got to the Citadel. I had no military background, so enjoy teaching the cadets and the MBA students. Really a great group. So my two truths and a lie. One, when I was in college, I sold books door to door in the state of New York for Southwestern Book Company. In those days, that was before the internet and before smartphones, and actually, I didn't have a computer. I took ballet from the time I was, first grade to sixth grade. So I used to be a ballerina, and I'm an only child. I have an only child, and I am an only child. So you can guess which one you think is the truths are and the lie. Look forward to hearing your videos and watching your videos and learning.